Can you afford to get sick today? While we're strong and healthy, meron pa rin tayong capacity to earn. So kung nag-work tayo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung income natin, 15-30, or kung may business tayo, meron pa rin income na pumapasok. Pero syempre, meron rin naman tayong mga ginagastos or tinatawag natin na expenses. Pag minus natin yung income at expenses, yun yung magiging savings. Sometimes, yung savings na ito is either maliit lang or no savings at all. But what if disability or illness strikes? Katulad na lang yung lalaki na nasa news, naglalakad lang sa sidewalk na bunggo ng sasakyan, tapos na-accident na siya. O kaya naman mag-diagnose ng critical illness condition. Possible, lalo na kung employed tayo, wala tayong regular source of income, matitigil ito, bababa yung income katulad ng green line, pero yung expenses natin patuloy na tataas, magsushoot up. So, kasi nga gusto nating makafocus sa pagpapagaling. Diba? Hindi na tayo makapagtrabaho. So, yung intersection ng green line tsaka ng red line, which is yung income at expenses, ay tinatawag natin na economic crisis. Pag nangyari ito, yung savings mo, mauubos, magbe-break even, at possible, mag-incur ng debts kasi nga tuloy-tuloy yung ating gastusin sa medical or hospital. Paano pag nagkaroon ka ng health protection or tinatawag natin na critical illness insurance? Ang mangyayari dito, ire-replace niya yung nawalang income dahil nga nakafocus ka sa pagpapagaling kahit na tuloy-tuloy yung ating expenses. Kaya nga sinasabi natin, the strong and healthy person you are today is the only person who can help the disabled or ill person you may be someday. So better get a health insurance or critical illness insurance while you're strong and healthy. So pag 30-year-old female for 20 pay, 24,000 lang ito or 6,000 per quarter. Or kung gusto mo ng shorter years to pay for age 30 female, 45,000 per year or 12,000 per quarter. So ano ba ang coverage nito? Immediately, pag na-approve na yung plan, mag-aantay lang tayo ng waiting period na 90 days, magte-take effect na tong critical illness insurance. Kahit na isang hulog ka pa lang, kunyari 45,000 pa lang or 12,000 pa lang, i-cover ka na ni AAA Philippines ng 1 million insurance or critical illness insurance up to age 100 in case ma-diagnose ka ng cancer, stroke, heart attack, at iba pang 56 to 57 critical illnesses. Kahit hindi ka pa tapos magbayad, i-cover ka na namin. Kaya nga better, kumuha ka na while you're strong and healthy. Pag baby pa lang ang anak mo, 11,000 per year lang. Diba? Murang-mura. Always remember, life insurance is bought with money and good health. Note lang po, if ever elevated blood sugar na or diabetic, hindi na po maa-allowed na makakuha ng critical insurance plan kasi sa risk of having more complications. So kapag ganito, ire-recommend namin na kumuha na po ng other plan na may life insurance, pwedeng savings rin at accident, wala na lang po yung anything related to health tsaka hospitalization. So for more questions regarding AIA life insurance and health insurance plans, you may send me a message.